Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can check out the industry average ratios on Yahoo Finance. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, what you need to do is open up Yahoo Finance and sign into your account. Then let's go ahead and search for a symbol. After you search for a symbol, you should just go ahead and click on it. To check out the industry average ratios, you can see statistics over here. If you don't see the statistics over here, this thing or this symbol doesn't have the ratio, you should just go ahead and search for other ratios. So I'll just go ahead and search for Apple over here. So after I search for Apple, I'll just go ahead and click on it. On the left hand side is statistics, right below conversations. Just go ahead and tap on the stats over here. After you tap on it, just press the F3 button on your keyboard and search for ratio. So as you can see, there are some ratio types over here, just like the current A ratio, which is the MRQ, the short ratio, which also dedicates the industry average ratio, and if you scroll down, you can see the payout ratio over here as well. So you can easily calculate the industry average ratio looking out of these ratios available. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.